This is our taillight switch number 465 with age-appropriate music, best suited for teenagers and adults. Very easy activation. You can just put your hands on the rim of the switch so you don't have to move very far to activate the switch, and it just requires a light touch. Here on the bottom, you have your on-off volume control switch. It runs on 4 AA alkaline batteries. These are the activation pads. It also has here on the side a switch output jack, so you can also use this as an external switch to activate another switch-enabled device. It comes with a 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch cable. When you're using it as a switch, you can adjust the volume down to almost nothing so that you can just focus on the toy that's being activated or the device, or you can turn the volume up and use the music as well.